Very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today we will start a new chapter. It is Know the Keyboard, Chapter 5, Part 1. Okay, children. So in this chapter, the following topics will be covered. So let us see the topics now. In this lesson, you will be learning about some special keys, caps lock key, shift key, number lock key, delete key, and backspace key. And also the difference between delete key and backspace key. Okay, children. So now let us see about caps lock key. So observe the keyboard, children. So the green color outline, that is caps lock key, children. So the caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital letters. So if you want all capital letters, your sentence or complete paragraph, if you want to type in capital letters, you have to use caps lock key. Okay, children. So for that, you have to switch on the caps lock key. So when the caps lock key is in off mode, the letters typed will appear in small letters. So when the caps lock key is on, the letters, whatever letters you type, it will be in capital letters. And when the caps lock key is off, the typed letters will appear in small letters. Okay, children. So now let us see how to switch on and switch off the caps lock key. Okay, children. So this is caps lock key. When you press the caps lock key, the caps lock light glows on the keyboard as shown in the picture. See, children. On the right side, you can see the picture. A green color light is glowing, isn't it, children? So that is caps lock. So this indicates that the key is on. So when you see a green light, that means that your caps lock key is on. Okay, children. When the caps lock key is on, whatever you type, it will appear in, whatever text you will type, it will appear in capital letters. Understood, children? So when you press the caps lock key, immediately a green light glows. Okay, children, you can see as shown in the picture. So a light which is above the numeric pad. So you can see a green light which is above the numeric pad. That means if you see a green light, that means your caps lock key is in on mode. Then when it is in on mode, whatever letters you type, you will get all in capital letters. Okay, children. So in this way, you can switch on the caps lock key and you can type the capital letters. Okay, children. So now how to switch off the caps lock key? Now we will see. So now you can see in this picture, children. When you press the caps lock key again, it will turn off and the light will disappear. So if you want to switch off, what you have to do? Again, you have to press the same caps lock key. So as soon as you press the caps lock key, you can observe the light. See, can you see the light? No. So the light will disappear. That means what? Now your caps lock key is in off mode. So now whatever you type, the letters will appear in small letters. Okay, children. So if you switch on the caps lock key, a green light will glow. Then you will, whatever letters are typed, you will get in capital letters. So if you want to switch off, you have to press the caps lock key again. Then you can see the indicator. The green light will disappear. It will not glow. That means whatever letters you type, it will appear in small letters. Okay, children. Okay. So now, so the caps lock key is called as toggle key. What is toggle key? Here, toggle key is nothing but the keys which can be turned on and off are called as toggle keys. So the same key you are using to turn on and you can even turn off. So such type of keys are called as toggle keys. So the caps lock key is a toggle key. Okay, children? So it can be turned on and it can be turned off. So such type of keys are called as toggle keys. Okay, children? Okay. Now let us see the next special key, shift key. So you can see on the keyboard, there are two shift keys on the keyboard, children. You can see two shift keys on the keyboard. Okay, children. So this key is used in combination with other keys. So we cannot use this key alone, children. Along with this shift key, we have to use the shift key is used with other keys. Okay, so that's why this shift key is called as combination key. So how to use the shift key, we will see now. So now this is keyboard, children. So a shift key is used to type the upper characters of the keys. Now observe the keyboard carefully, children. Some keys have two characters, upper and lower. Okay, children. So for example, if you see the number keys, which are above the alphabet keys, so you can see in the picture, children. So there are two characters, isn't it, children? Below numbers and above you can see some symbols. Okay, children. So by using the shift key, we can type the upper characters of the keys. Okay, children. When you are not using the shift key, if you type any number, suppose if you type without using shift key, if you type a number, press 1, you can see only 1 on the monitor. Okay, children. Then how to get the symbol? You have to use the shift key. You have to use shift key plus 1. Then you can get the upper symbol, upper character of the keys. And not only that, children, it is also used to type capital letters. But one condition is there. You have to switch off the caps lock key. Okay, children. So a shift key is used to type the upper characters of the keys, not only on the number keys, children. So any key which has two characters, the keys which have two characters, the upper characters can be typed by using the shift key. So and also it is used to type capital letters, and that too when the caps lock key is off. Okay, children. So now let us see how it is used, children. So you can see, children. So if you press, it is used to type capital letters when the caps lock key is off. Shift key is used when only a few capital letters are needed in a word or a sentence. Okay, children. So here the caps lock key is used when the entire word or sentence is to be typed in capital letters. Okay, children. So you all know that a caps lock key is used when the entire word or sentence is to be typed in capital letters. Then a shift key is used when only a few capital letters are needed in a word or a sentence. So if you want only few letters or a single letter or in a word or a sentence, you can use shift key instead of using, again switching on the caps lock key. Instead of that, you can use the shift key if you have to type only few capital letters. Okay, children. So above in the example, you can see, children, how to get symbols and how to get capital letters, children. In the first one, you can see the shift key. Here you are using shift key plus 3. Then what you will get, children? Upper, this symbol you will get. Okay, children. Suppose you want to get capital letter, capital A. So what you have to do? You have to use shift key plus capital plus A, alphabet A. If you use this, but here what is the condition, children? Here the caps lock key should be off mode. So when it is the caps lock key is off, if you use shift key plus alphabet A, then what you'll get? You will capital E, capital letter you will get. So here the condition is the caps lock key should be off. Okay, children. Understood? Okay. So let us do a small activity based on this shift key, children. So write the output of the following. Just now I have explained. The first one, let us see. Shift key plus A. Okay, children. So if you use shift and A, both at a time you have to use, children. Then what you will get, children? So here the condition is the caps lock key is off. Then you will get capital A. As I already told you, the shift key is also used to type capital letters. Okay, children. Now see the second one. Shift plus this key, the number key 2. When you use this, what you will get? This key has two characters, children. So what is the use of shift key, children? The shift key is used to type the upper characters, isn't it, children? So what you'll get, children, if you use shift under 2, yes, the symbol you'll get at the rate of symbol. Okay, children. The next one, shift key, and this key also has two characters, children. The down one is below equal to and upper character is plus. So as I already told you, shift key is used to type The upper characters. So what is the answer, children? Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay, children. Hope you have understood. So here is a small assignment for you all. Write any two sentences about shift key. Any two sentences you can write, children. Children. So we'll continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.